together 2 cups sugar, 1/4 cup margarine or butter, and 1/2 cup milk. Mix these ingredients together in a saucepan and bring to a boil for 1 minute. Take off the heat and add quickly 2 cups quick oats, 1/2 cup peanut butter, and 3 teaspoons vanilla. Mix all together till creamy. Drop by spoonfuls on wax paper and let cool, then enjoy. You can also add a cup of raisins if you like when you add the oats to the mixture for a chewy cookie. That's how you make the no-bake cookie. Enjoy, enjoy.